Yes, James! The clay pits! Why didn't I think of that? Come on, we better find him before he gets into trouble.
I'm not going. I'm too sleepy.
What? You have to come. You have to apologize, and you're not scared, are you?
I'm not scared of anything. I'm the bravest engine on the island of Sodor. Come on, Thomas, keep up!
The ship.
Then Thomas remembered what Percy said about being as brave as Gator and going to a faraway land.
I told you to move that! Now look what's happened!
You dummy!
Oh no!
Start engines, quick!
I'm in charge. Stay where you are.
No way, I know what's on that barge. Get clear, the whole thing's gonna blow!
Stay where you are.
Emergency, emergency! Clear the area immediately!
Stay still and obey order.
Move out, save yourselves! 10 sets, cut your barge rope and pull free!
My barge is clear, but Blue Nose is blocking the way.
I know what to do. Stay still and don't panic.
Oh, come on, Blue Nose, cast off. Let's get out of here.
I can't.
Try harder, go on. No, he wouldn't. James, wait!
Don't be a fool, 10 cents! Get out of there!
He's right, move!
He's got himself into this! Leave him!
It's too dangerous, 10 cents!
You're coming with me, Blue Nose.
Going, 10 cents! Keep going! The tramper's on fire! It'll blow any second!
The big ship was already starting to leave by the time Thomas came racing onto the docks.
No! Stop! There's been a mistake! You can't leave! Come back! Stop the ship, Cranky!
Stop the ship.
Don't let it go! This is an emergency!
Don't you move me. I've got my orders and I order says I am loading fuel now.
You can load all you want after I get you out of here. Hey, OJ, what shall I do with him?
Put him at the back, out the way. We don't want any more of his orders.
Boy, this is a mutiny. Take me back immediately. Obey orders. Obey orders. Orders is orders. Got it.
Oh no, Big Mickey's top is going up!
Move out, everyone! It's going over!
Here we are! Engine clear!
You never hold her! She'll put you overboard!
Just don't think he gets it right, otherwise he'll sink us all!
Stop! Big Mickey!
Oh, he's done it! He's falling sideways!
Let go your up! I can't!
Yeah, that was too close for comfort.
It took real skill to make that move.
He saved us all for sure. But the fire's getting out of control.
You'll have heard the siren for sure. The fire tug will reach us any minute. Just wish it were here now.
Fire tug won't be much good. Look at that tramper.
Someone's having a dockside celebration.
No, no. If there was a party, I would have been invited.
Perhaps they don't need a long-necked highbrow.
Very droll. Certainly wouldn't want low lifes like you there. What's that?
Emergency! Emergency! Get them tied off and follow on, Top Hat. Might need all hands.
Yeah, follow on, Top Hat. Fire at your dock.
I'd love to join you, but these two are in a right state.
Always our fault, eh, Frank?
Never is, eh, Eddie?
He could take us along. Like to see a fire.
The only fire you're going to see, I can tell you this for a fact, is the one I will set under your tracks if you don't get a move on.
Oh.
The aft order's blown out, a fire will really spread.
I feel so helpless.
God, they were really big explosions.
There's more to come yet. Just you wait. She was nearly fully loaded before that naval twit arrived. What's on board will rip her apart.
Isn't there anything we can do?
Like what, dummy? Anyway, you've done your bit. Just sit back and watch.
But it's spreading, and that means puff at the dockside will go up.
You're right, 10 cents. Come on, everyone. Shout and warn Puffer.
Go on, Puffer. Go on,
Puffer, get over there, will you? Will you get over there, Puffer? That's all we needed. The Petros caught fire.
And that tank's fully loaded. I must try and get it out to sea.
Don't do it. Stay back. If that blows, it'll take you with it.
Come on, Wiggles. To the big red car. I'm sure that's coming from around here somewhere. Yeah. We'll just have to keep looking for it.